the Baratza Encore Coffee Grinder. It's engineered with 40mm commercial grade conical burrs, so you can adjust the grind size to brew different types of coffee. If you like espresso, you use an AeroPress, Chemex, French press, or a drip coffee system like we do. All you do is you turn the hopper on the top, twist it to the grind size that you want. We've currently got it set for drip coffee. And then you open the lid, pour in your coffee beans, close the lid, turn on the dial on the side to start continuous grind, or you can press this button right here on the front to top off with a pulse. I have two complaints about this system. The first is that it's very loud. Now, we've had ours for several years, and hopefully that's been updated a little bit, so maybe it's not quite as loud, but it has worked great for the many years that we've owned it. It always provides a beautiful grind. We've been very happy with its performance. And then the other thing that I don't like about it is that it's very messy. So when you pull out the tray, you can see that there's excess floating in there. It tends to get on the countertop very easily. Now, we just use a tray like this so that we can wash it and then put the grinder back on top of it, and that way it keeps the countertops clean. Okay, so this is how it works. Let me just show you. I'm just gonna turn the dial on the side. And then, or here's the pulse. Okay, and then you just pull out, here's all the grinds right here. And then you can just pour them into your coffee basket like that. They smell really fresh, and that's what I love about using a grinder, is that you always get a beautiful fresh grind of coffee.